Top 5 Best Ergonomic Keyboards. Number 5. Kinesis Advantage2. The Advantage2 might be the ugliest keyboard I've ever seen, but after trying it I can also say it could be the most comfortable I've ever tried. The manufacturer says the deep key wells allow your hands and fingers to be placed in a natural, relaxed position. You can also remap the keys to suit your own work style. The keyboard uses premium mechanical switches that produce a satisfying click when you press down. Pros: premium mechanical switches. Customizable. Cons: polarizing design. Coming in number 4. Cloud9 C989 m. Cloud9's keyboard is one of the few made with gamers in mind. It's also the only one here that can be split into 2 separate parts, which means you can adjust each side individually to your liking. The design is flashy, with customizable backlighting for the keys, which make a satisfying click when you type due to the switches providing low activation force with tactile feedback. This keyboard has its own built-in USB port on the back, so you can plug in a mouse, phone charger, microphone, or other accessory. There's also a dedicated dial that lets you do things like adjust the volume and dim the keyboard backlighting. Pros: cool backlighting. Satisfying keyboard clicks. Coming in number 3. Logitech Ergo K860. The K860 is my top choice for anyone who writes long documents or spends hours pounding away at the keyboard. This model offers comfort and adjustment with tilt legs that can be set to 0, -4, and -7 degrees. It also has silky smooth keys and a comfy built-in wrist rest covered in a non-abrasive fabric. This model is compatible with both Macs and PCs and can be hooked up with either a Bluetooth connection or USB cable. Pros: smooth keys. Adjustable wrist position for different heights. Cons: wrist rest is attached. If fabric wears, you're out of luck. Coming in number 2. Microsoft 3RA00022 Surface. My own personal favorite keyboard is this model by Microsoft. Its restrained look fits in anywhere, and the keys provide a perfect amount of feedback. It has a double-cushioned palm rest made from a proprietary material that looks and feels great, and a subtle curve that isn't excessive. It also happens to be the quietest ergonomic keyboard I've ever used. Pros: quiet. Subtle. Comfortable palm rest. Coming in number 1. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. The Freestyle 2 might be the most comfortable keyboard I've ever tried. The highly adjustable shape means that this can be positioned in a way that reduces the strain on your wrists. I loved using the low-force keys, which made typing a breeze. The only problem with this keyboard is that it's not the most attractive model on the market and doesn't offer any lighting, unlike more gaming-oriented competitors. Pros: extremely comfortable. Cons: no lighting.